Okay, if you have a Phatmoto with a Coleman 98cc engine and you have a vibration problem, this is how I fixed mine. These are rubberized motor mounts I got on Amazon, and the only problem with them is when there's torque on the engine, it twists. So I made these two brackets out of flat stock, and it stopped that, and it actually didn't make a difference on vibration. The motor mounts did. They took care of the vibration. The vibration was so bad that it was unrideable, and I don't know if it was from the damage done in shipping, because my intake air box was smashed and there's a dent in my valve cover. It's hard to see right in there, and it could have tweaked the crankshaft, but I don't know. I contacted Go Power Sports, where I bought the engine, and they said it's normal for a Phatmoto with this engine to vibrate. But I talked to two other people on YouTube that have the same bike with the same engine, and they don't have that problem. One of them is motorized bike rides, I think is the YouTube channel, and he's the one that made me get this carburetor. It's the Nibby 19 millimeter. I was using a PZ19, and I was having problems when I'd hit 37 miles an hour. It would start cutting out and losing power. It would get up to 38 after a minute or so, but it would jump from 38 to 37 miles an hour. Well, I figured that out when I took the valve cover off and I adjusted the rocker arms. They were way too loose. Now it consistently goes up to 39 miles an hour with no problems. So I don't know if that was caused for the vibration. I can't tell with these new motor mounts, but it could still be damage in the engine. I think the crankshaft is tweaked a little bit, but Go Power Sports didn't want to help. It had been 3 months me trying to get rid of the vibration, trying different motor mounts, so I don't blame them. But anyways, I got that custom exhaust. That exhaust came off Amazon. The Nibby carburetor is from Amazon. This headlight is $20 on Amazon, because this bike didn't have anything on it when I got it. The battery I got on Amazon also. That's a lithium 12-volt battery, because this headlight is incandescent and it draws a lot of power. I've tried 2 other batteries, and so far this one works great. And that's about it. Oh, this tail light, automatic brake light. It's got an automatic brake light. Has an alarm on it, so if you hit this, it turns the alarm on. And if you move the bike, it does that. And if you keep moving the bike, it does that. But engine runs good. It just has a major vibration. And that's about it.